Ever felt like you're running on a treadmill that's stuck on warp speed? Like your to-do list is a monster that just keeps growing no matter how much you feed it? Yeah, we've all been there. That feeling of overwhelm, of constantly chasing deadlines, of wishing you had just more time. What if I told you that the secret isn't finding more hours in the day, because let's be real, time machines are still in beta. The real secret is how you manage the hours you do have. We're talking time management. Welcome back to Brainframe. Today, we're not just talking about doing time management. We're diving deep into the incredible benefits of time management. Get ready to transform your life, one well-managed minute at a time. The myth of having more time. First off, let's bust a myth. Time management isn't about fitting 30 hours into a 24-hour day. That's just a recipe for burnout and a serious coffee addiction. It's about getting the most out of those precious 24 hours without turning into a zombie. Think of it this way. Your time isn't a never-ending river. It's a limited pool. Without management, you're just splashing around, maybe getting a little wet, but not really swimming anywhere. Time management is learning to swim efficiently, to navigate those waters with purpose. It's about making every stroke count. Benefit 1. Reduce stress and overwhelm. Let's kick things off with arguably the biggest, most heartwarming benefit: reduced stress and overwhelm. Remember that feeling of dread when you look at your never-ending to-do list? That knot in your stomach? When you manage your time effectively, you're not constantly reacting to emergencies. You're proactive. You know what needs to be done, when, and you've allocated time for it. This brings a profound sense of calm. It's like turning down the volume on the constant OMG soundtrack in your head. No more last-minute scrambles, no more forgetting important tasks. You're in control. And that, my friends, is a superpower. Benefit 2. Boost productivity and efficiency. Next up, increased productivity and efficiency. This is where you actually start seeing results. Without time management, you're like a chef with all the ingredients but no recipe. Lots of effort, questionable outcomes. With good time management, you prioritize. You focus on what truly matters. You avoid multitasking, which, by the way, is a myth. Your brain just switches between tasks, making you slower. By dedicating focused blocks of time to specific tasks, you get more done, and you get it done better. Imagine finishing your work for the day and realizing you still have energy left. It's not magic, it's just smart planning. Your boss will love it, your teachers will adore you, and your future self will send you thank you notes. Benefit 3. Achieve goals faster. This is where things get really exciting. Achieving your goals faster. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or simply getting fit, every big goal is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. Without time management, your goals often remain distant dreams lost in the daily grind. But when you break down your goals into actionable steps and schedule them into your week, they become tangible. You chip away at them consistently. You build momentum. It's like having a GPS for your ambitions. You know exactly where you're going and how to get there. Before you know it, you'll look back and think, wow, I actually did that. Benefit 4. More free time and better work-life balance. Now, for the benefit everyone really wants, more free time and a better work-life balance. Yes, you heard that right. Effective time management doesn't mean working more. It means working smarter, so you have more time for yourself. When you're efficient, you're not dragging tasks into your evenings or weekends. You're creating boundaries. You finish your work during your designated work time, leaving your free time genuinely free. This means more time for hobbies, friends, family, sleep, or simply staring at the ceiling and contemplating the universe, because sometimes that's just what the doctor ordered. It helps prevent burnout and keeps your mental health in check. the time management mindset, and a little humor. So these benefits sound pretty amazing, right? But time management isn't just about apps and planners, it's about a mindset. It's choosing to be in control. It's accepting that you can't do everything, but you can do what matters most. It's like training a very energetic puppy. Your attention. It wants to chase every squirrel, that notification, bark at every car, that random thought, and chew on every shoe, that unnecessary scroll. You need to teach it discipline, boundaries, and what truly deserves its focus. And sometimes you just gotta laugh when the puppy still manages to get into the trash. Progress, not perfection. So, if you're ready to reduce stress, boost productivity, achieve your goals faster, and reclaim your free time, then diving into time management is your next big step. It's not a magical cure-all, but it's incredibly powerful. If this video gave you that little spark of inspiration, please give it a like. And for more brain-expanding content that simplifies complex ideas, make sure you subscribe to BrainFrame. We love hearing from you, so share in the comments below what's one time management technique you're excited to try. Until next time, keep managing, keep learning, and keep growing.